First off, we are going to remove the background from an image, and we're going to do it in a blazingly fast way. You're going to need an image, and it's preferably one with a clear foreground and background. So images like, this person that is set against a very standard backdrop and has very sort of a clear outline against that backdrop, or landscape images like this that have kind of a clear line that is separating the foreground and the background. Those are going to work really well for you. So I've got these exported as JPEGs, and they are currently, just living here in this folder, this remove background folder. And this is how easy this method is. I'm gonna select this image and I'm gonna right click it, and then I'm gonna scroll down to the quick actions flyout menu. From here, all you need to do is click this remove background button. It takes a second, but just like that, the background is removed. So let's pull this into Figma real quick. And I mean, that is a pretty great background removal for just a simple right click and then clicking one button. It's pretty amazing. So of course, this is only gonna work for Macs. I'm not sure if PCs have this same sort of functionality. There may very well be, but if there isn't, I have another method for you, another free, easy method to remove backgrounds. And it's using this website, tinywow.com. All right, and so this website just has a ton of free tools that kind of automate a lot of these tedious tasks. If you scroll down, the very first tool is a remove background tool. I'm gonna click that, and here you can just simply drag and drop an image into this area here, or you can click to upload from your file directory, and this is gonna remove the background from an image very quickly. Not quite as quickly, but it is free and very easy to use. Of course, you can also use Photoshop. I think that's the tried and true method, and I won't do a tutorial on Photoshop background removal because there are about 1,000 of those already out there, and not all of us have Photoshop, so it's good to know that there are other options out there. There are actually plugins right inside of Figma that will remove background, right? And so one of those is BENZIN, and I've had some success with this background removal tool in the past as well, so you can actually remove backgrounds right within Figma. Overall though, if you're using a Mac, I do think that the Mac Quick Actions utility is the fastest and easiest method that I've come across. So now how are we gonna mask this image here in Figma? So all masks in Figma support alpha channels. Alpha channels represent the degree of transparency of, in this case, an image. When Figma sees this image of this person without a background, it will recognize the areas of the image that have transparency and those that don't, which is going to allow us to use the cutout shape of this person as a mask for this image. So I'm gonna take this image of the city and I'm gonna place it on top of the background removed portrait image. Remember that in Figma, the layer forming the mask needs to be the bottommost layer. So now that I have this background removed image as the bottommost layer, I'm gonna select both of these and then I'm gonna click Use as Mask here in the toolbar. All right, so just like that, we have removed the background from an image and we have successfully used that image with transparency as a mask. This is a really cool effect that you can use in your designs, and it's really quick and easy to achieve. All right, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please take a moment to click that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe to this channel. It's absolutely free to do, and it helps the channel way more than you might think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.